Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about something fascinating in the brain, the cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex has developed more extensively in humans than any other brain structure. It is the largest and most important region of the brain and is also the newest part in terms of evolution. Because it contains many nerve cell bodies without myelin sheaths, it appears gray in color. This structure makes up about 80% of the brain and is responsible for higher mental processes such as thinking, reasoning, decision making, and planning. The cortex is divided by the central sulcus into two hemispheres and four major lobes: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe. The frontal lobe, located at the front of the cortex, occupies a large portion of the brain. It is responsible for functions such as voluntary movement, intelligence, personality, and planning. The temporal lobe, located above the ears, plays an important role in hearing and memory processing. It is closely connected to the limbic system and the hippocampus. Damage to this area can cause memory impairments, making it difficult for a person to store information in long-term memory. The parietal lobe is located behind the frontal lobe and at the top of each hemisphere. It contains the postcentral gyrus, also known as the primary somatosensory cortex. This area receives sensory information from touch receptors throughout the body. In fact, when you notice something moving across your skin, it is because of the activity of this region. The parietal lobe also receives information about the position of the head, eyes, and body, and sends it to other parts of the brain to help control movement. It plays a key role in spatial awareness, attention, and motor control. Research conducted on Albert Einstein's brain suggested that this region was about 15% larger than average, which may have contributed to his exceptional abilities in visualization and spatial reasoning. Finally, the occipital lobe, located at the back of the head, is responsible for processing visual information. At the rear of this lobe lies the primary visual cortex. Damage to this area can result in partial or complete blindness.